Hi guys, this is just another little tips video on the Merryway systems. So if you've bought one of the more expensive ranges from our website, the cheaper ranges begin with a HV, and you'll find out the models, which the Merryway ones start with either GMV or GV, but it will be the more expensive one on our website. So I just want to show you how to set up if you find that this original screen. Now this is the Harman Kardon infotainment system, but we do them for the BOSCH versions too, so you have like a different menu. But if you find that this original screen is out of sync or there's a no display, so if you find like the screen maybe 3/4 or there might be a little tiny bit of resolution issues with, like, say maybe there might be double writing on the letters or whatever, if it doesn't look perfect, the easiest way to set this up would be to just flick across there on the top left. So as you can see here, you have all these little options down here. So if you look at this, the original source, you'll have all these options for Harman Kardon and BOSCH down there. So obviously relevant to whatever you've got in the car original, i.e. if you've got the Harman like this setup, you would just work your way through these two here. If you've got the other type of older system with the BOSCH, then obviously you work your way through there. Let me just have a little look at something else. So you don't need to play around with this. Key templates, that tends to be relevant to the button panels down here if they're out of sync. So if you find out some, like your camera buttons or whatever, are out of sync, then you can change on this key template. Car mode, let's have a look at that. Not going to adjust that one. And also you have, 1 second, sorry guys, you also have this here. So you have your resistance and your capacitive, so they tend to be relatable towards if your screen's originally touchscreen, but sometimes if you can use a stylus or maybe the back of a credit card and it still acts, then you just change that around. So there's just a few settings there to change anyway, so hope that helps. Cheers.